Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, and Pat and I are going to meet LZ at a couple skate parks, and this is really like my last full day here. So we're gonna try to make the most of it, go ride some bikes, eat some burritos, and hang out in this beautiful sunny Florida weather. Burritos, here we come. I'm so hungry. Raven, are you hungry?
Yeah, not for burritos.
No, Raven's not a very big burrito eater. But I am. Place looks like a porta potty, but I guess the burritos are good. So we'll see.
Joey.
First park of the day, Merritt Island, Florida skate park. This is a skate park that's outside and inside. I think it costs money to get in. I don't know, I've never been here. I guess it's really old. David's here. Just fell over. Got it. Oh, fuck.
How you doing?
I just hit my funny bone, but I'm good.
What's that?
I just hit my funny bone on the door.
Not so funny, is it?
Not so funny. How you doing?
Good. Have you been here in the last couple of years and done a waiver with us?
Never been here.
Okay, waiver's right there in the box.
Okay.
And young lady, are you riding or watching?
I'm just watching.
Okay, we'll have to have a waiver on you as well.
Yeah, what it is.
New insurance. Anyone in the danger zone has to have a waiver.
Understandable.
Folks, just so you understand, it is a general waiver of release and liability so that you understand that this park is an extreme park. You can suffer injuries, scratches, bruises, necks, breaks, falls. You could even die. We are not liable for any injuries that you may incur while you're on our property. That's the short version in case you'd like to read the whole thing.
This place is tight. This is only the inside. There's a whole outdoor section. Is it over here? Yeah. Can we just get a close-up of that deck real fast, dude? Can you lift it up? That's sheet metal. That's rust. A lot of it.
That's why everybody's got to sign the thing.
Yeah. If you die.
This used to be so nice and so much fun.
It's still cool.
I mean, it could be really cool if somebody would take care of it, but I mean, he probably don't get that.
That guy doesn't give a shit.
Yeah, he probably doesn't get that many.
This shit is crazy.
Babe, this is scary. I kind of don't want to watch it. Like, hold it and close my eyes. What? How it like goes in?
Dude, yeah, but I don't have vert ramps, you motherfucker.
It's all the same. Oh, that's.
Ah! Stop. Let me get a foot jam on this death quarter. Yeah. Let me get a move, dude. Let me get a stunt. Oh, hello, Adam. Hello, Nicole.
I've been here with my G7X. I hate coming here because it's terrible for filming.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, with my DSLR though, it looks like garbage in here.
Dude, the outside is scary.
I told you.
Dude, this should give you a tetanus shot at the counter. It's
He was just telling us how like his insurance got dropped. I'm like, I wonder why.
no shit. I went through I was like, oh, I'll go check out the wall right before I hit it. Just a row of nails sticking out.
Yeah, dude, it's sick.
Yeah, that's pretty sick though.
How you doing? Good. I brought you bars. I only had 975s, so if that's too big, I'll have the other ones in.
He has to get a new stem too, cause like.
Oh, you should have told me, dude. I could have brought a stem.
What I thought that he meant when he was like, "There's the bolt's broken," was that the head had snapped off, and I was like, "Oh, we get that out." But the Allen snapped off in the head, so that was my mistake. Coffee wax? Feels like plastic, not wax. Have you had your G7 Edge?
I had the Mark 1 for like 2 years. I had the Mark 2 for a few months.
This really smells like coffee.
It is, it's coffee flavored.
You want to do a trick?
What?
You want to do a trick?
I don't know. I don't know if I can man up to the trick. What do you want me to do, Quan?
Manual. The top, the bar, and the bank on the left.
Is there a bank on the left?
There is a bank on the left. Don't go to the right. There's no bank.
Are you sure? Okay.
I'm positive.
Okay.
This bank.
Yeah, I found it. Why are we whispering?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for calling out something that's like modern. Like, I'm used to people just calling out something. Yo, is your Tater Fox in? Alright.
No.
Yeah.
For them.
Good kids. Alright, now we're being a bitch.
Like a motherfucking boss. Oh, I thought you were gonna smith the down part.
I think I was gonna do it.
Just keep it going, dude. We can just keep going. Imagine that nose manual.
Yep.
Yeah, dude. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Dude, I'm trying to nails now. Yo! Damn, dude, for the trot. Well, shit. It was really far away. Dude, you have to do it closer to me. Can you do it again?
Okay, we should be filming each other, and then Nicole be filming herself.
Should I have the screen up?
Yeah. You gotta turn it on or it's gonna look like it's fake.
Oh, true.
Dude, like, why isn't his lens out? I'm actually recording.
Are you?
Yeah.
I don't have a card on the camera, so I can't be.
Oh. Me and Pat have been talking about how sketchy this box jump is all day, and we're gonna convince Adam. Well, he's just gonna jump it probably.
I'm scared to hit the quarters going fast.
Oh, no big deal. How was it?
Not bad. I think
This park's a little rough, so we're gonna get out of here, get some Starbucks, and go to another skate park called Satellite Beach. Pat's home turf. Kind of, right? Pat's hiding in the corner. He hates us. Hater. We're gonna get Starbucks. Starbucks? Starbucks? Starbucks.
I think that'd be so fun though, just one.
Thanks for pushing me, babe.
The next video I have.
I've never seen this thing in real life.
IRL.
Looks brand new. Skate park numero dos, Satellite Beach. Riding through this white sand to get to the park. I guess every park in Florida, you have to. What?
You want Nicole to go grab Starbucks for us?
If she wants to.
She said she doesn't mind.
Okay, I'm getting Starbucks. Peace.
Do a camera so you can simultaneously vlog getting Starbucks while we're simultaneously vlogging.
Don't I have a camera?
I'm using it.
And the other one doesn't have a memory card.
No, I'll put a memory card in it.
Thanks, Nicole.
You're welcome.
Are you on the screen? 'Cause I can't see.
Damn.
You are. Yeah.
Caleb's also very good about not putting cigarettes in videos.
Yeah.
Like you'll never see
I
him
was
have
saying,
a
I was
clip of it.
complimenting how clean you are about it.
Yeah.
I like it.
I swear a lot, but that's because that's me, and I try to not sugarcoat anything. You know what I mean? I try to be as real as possible. I'm not like
You're ugly.
chugging whiskey on my channel and stuff, you know?
Yeah, when we had that video chugging whiskey, people were not hyped on it.
No.
Did you see that one?
No,
It's
you
the
were chugging whiskey?
Yeah, my birthday.
Yeah, whiskey.
You didn't
versus
watch that?
vodka.
No, just
Dude,
get
we
wasted
literally
for a
just got
vlog?
wasted
To see
in
which
that
one
video.
we could, yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, dude, people were not hyped though.
Well,
They
It's
were
Cinco de
like,
Mayo. That's
one.
his
Well, I
birthday.
got an email from like some parent saying like her kid tried alcohol for the first time and like
Yeah.
got in the hospital because of it.
They thought their vodka was
Tell them
watered
to watch
down.
their kids better.
Yeah, tell them to be better
No,
parents.
dude, that whole story is just a big lie.
How's this work? If I sign in and give you some money?
That's all it is. 2 doll hairs.
2?
Oh, Nicole has my wallet.
I got you.
You got one?
Yeah,
I might have my wallet. That's in your room.
Alright, how many people are you paying for?
just me and Adam.
Yeah. Thank you, Caleb.
Yeah.
High school? Yeah. You're Adam, that was you.
Yeah, what's up?
What are you doing?
Who are you?
I'm Dante.
Dante. Nice to meet
Who are
I'm
you?
sure you get it all the time, but I watch all your videos, man. I'm hyped. I like biking. I don't bike anymore, but like I watch all like the 240 videos and everything. The
That's
trick.
sick.
Sick.
How many people are you paying for?
Just me and him.
Alright.
Caleb makes videos too, biking
Yeah.
and drifting.
I have a drift
That's
car also.
sick.
And
He's way better than me at both.
Pat has a drift car and rides
How's that,
bikes. There's so many bikes in there.
R34.
What?
R34.
Not yet.
You didn't drive it? Were you
No, I
drove
drove it. I don't have one though.
Yeah, that was crazy.
This is my R36.
I want to get one, have it crushed, and then make a viral video about it being crushed.
God damn, you're a savage.
I mean,
Hello, baby.
if you get one, you almost have to have that attitude.
Hello.
You're so sweet.
Hey, girl.
She just turned a year.
Kyle, do something cool.
Whoa, dude, that hip looks gnarly. Where do we
This
post up
thing's
at?
really
I don't want to be like being in anybody's way.
This is my friend Kyle. I haven't seen him in a very long time. Yeah, Kyle.
That counts, dude. Nobody could see that though. What's up, dude? I'm Caleb.
Kyle.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Meet you. Yeah.
Oh my!
Hi.
I did. I like, before I went to Russia, I hadn't read it in like
Feel free to pick up my camera and talk about how good you are.
probably like 3 weeks, and like even before that, it was like.
I may not be able to nose manual like Caleb Quanbeck, but I sure know how to work my way around a gap to wall ride in the darkness.
It's a backward backlash 180 off. God, that was good. Good job, Adam. Flip! Nice! Look at all that time you had! Bike gang.
Biking forever.
Gang, 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 gang. Nice, nice, nice. Shout out to that trench coat. Yeah, dude, right here. Hey, but be careful. It has a free coasters.
Oh, yes.
Okay, you know.
You have
Yeah.
like a halfway and wait a minute.
Yeah.
Gauge around this thing.
A quarter crank. Do you see that guy's trench coat?
Yeah,
That thing's sick.
Is he wearing nothing?
Yeah, dude. Where's it?
Fried on it.
Fried? Does that mean you do acid? Because I'm down.
I'm pretty fried.
Is it this one?
Yeah, bro, Dante used to love that. Holy shit, back in the day, bro.
Oh, dude, your trucks are so loose. We out. We're hungry as heck. We're about to go to Chili's in a second. My camera's out of focus, but me and Adam are gonna train whips over this hip, and then maybe get one or two more.
Because I don't want to look like people like this.
One or two more clips, and then Adam's dumb. But Yeah. Make sure you watch like both of our videos because it's gonna be like 2 different perspectives on the day, which is kind of cool.
My perspective is gonna be really crappy.
No. I'm a noob. I'm a noob. Hell yeah. What's your Instagram?
Noah Monroe?
What is it, Noah Monroe?
Yeah, Noah Monroe.
Okay, cool, dude. Hell yeah. Thanks for joining the train with us.
Yeah, man.
Babe, what do you have?
A lizard.
Yeah, and then like, we bark and like,
Hello, handsome.
he's just like laughing, checking
He's cute.
as soon as we walk in,
I love him.
this place is so sick.
This is my new friend. His name is Bruce.
Bruce?
Since it's the last night in Florida, we're all gonna go out to dinner. I think we're gonna go to Chili's. Pat's favorite restaurant on earth. Most likely gonna get a margarita for myself, Raven. Pat, you gonna drink a margarita? No, Rand, yeah. Margarita?
Margarita green.
Bean!
Green.
Free!
Free margarita!
Oh, they're free, okay. Alright. So yeah, we're going to Chili's. It's probably gonna conclude today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Super stoked to get to ride with Adam a little bit while I was here. He has a very busy schedule and there was a lot going on this weekend, so it made it kind of difficult to get stuff done. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Adam's channel and Nicole's. I'll put both links in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.